Vishwa Sutras, Universal Principles for Success.
This is Vishwas Savan. Often, rejecting somebody's offer or saying no to some task is seen as a sign of arrogance, especially in the Eastern world, where rejecting the offer or the task given by the elderly people or person in the upper hierarchy is often considered as a crime or sin. I am of the belief that instead of saying yes to everything, it is much better to sometimes say no to few things. Because when you say no to certain things that you know for sure you are not able to deliver or you will not be able to fulfill, by saying no, you are first being truthful to yourself. But most importantly, you are transparent and honest with the person to whom you are saying no. Often people do not say no simply because they do not want to hurt the another person. But by saying yes, indirectly, we are heightening the expectation of the person to whom we are saying yes. Also, we are raising his expectations and then not delivering the task or the work or fulfilling the wishes. You are playing with his or her emotions. And to me, that is emotional blackmail. Therefore, instead of being in emotional blackmail, it is much better to say no upfront. By way of saying no, you are respecting your own ability, respecting your own capacity to deliver. And therefore, it is important that before accepting any offer or accepting somebody's request, you have a judgment and you have a clarity whether you are able to deliver or not. If you are sure that you are not able to deliver and fulfill the needs and the requirements, then it's much better to say no. Also, I believe instead of saying yes to 10 different things, it's much better to say yes to few things and deliver a quality job. And therefore, I strongly believe that we all must inculcate the art of saying no with a judicious assessment of your ability to deliver and fulfill those promises. If you cannot deliver those promises, it's much better to say no. Of course, to a person whom you are saying no will be unhappy, but he or she will be unhappy momentarily rather than having a long-term disappointment and disillusionment about your faith. Rather than breaching somebody's faith in you, somebody's confidence in you, it's much better to say no. Saying no is an art. Therefore, if you are not sure, do not say either yes or no immediately. Ask a person, can I have some time to think about it? Can I review the situation? Can I assess my capacities and then come back and tell you whether I will be able to do or not? And therefore, that span of time that you seek to take the assessment or make your judgment will give you ability to think freely without any pressure, without any obligations. And then if your conclusion reaches that you cannot fulfill the requirements or you cannot deliver the task on time, it's much better to say no. Another thing that is very important in the art of saying no is that we often, whenever we want to say no, we say no either over the phone or through email, rarely in presence. It is most important that if in order to say no, you visit the person personally as much as possible, or through Skype conversation or a hangout conversation, and look into person's eyes and tell them truthfully that you will not be able to deliver the task or you will not be able to take up their request. By being in physical presence or by looking at the persons, the another person will understand genuinity behind your no, and therefore this is one of the critical criteria, because when you say no indirectly, you are rather running away from situations. When you say no in presence, you are being part of the situation, and at the same time you respect the other person as well, and therefore saying no is an amazing art. In fact, on path to success, you will have several options. You will have several options for yourself, for your own comfort, for your own entertainment. And therefore, the best way to inculcate the art of saying no is to start saying no to your own desires and your own wish. You may have a load of work, but then at times you want to go and be in a picnic with your college buddies. You will have to say no to your college buddies if your aspiration is to be successful in your job or in your profession. So the best way to begin inculcating the art of no, saying no, is to start saying no some of the unwanted things that you do in life. Because sometimes saying no is a way towards path to success. So come and join in saying judiciously no to things that are real, becoming a stumbling block in your path to success. Have a great day.